Melissa, Anna, Karen, nice to meet you. I know you've been working a lot with Bob Shegda, my colleague here. And I just want to send you a quick video introduction and just some real. I just want to log into the DirectLync platform just so you guys can see how it's done. I'm sure you could figure it out anyways. And I wanted to offer any assistance that Bob and I could provide to you while you're on your free trial. Most people get the most benefit out of the free trial experience once we do actually demo the system for them. So please take us up on our offer. We're happy to accommodate your schedule. Come out and demo the system, demo the platform for you. As you can see here, I have your username and password. And by the way, we set up the demo account for Melissa, but if the other two want a demo, a unique demo of their own, we're more than happy to provide that as well. So just request it, and Bob and I will make that happen. So now we're going to log into the system. Just take a second. And voila, you're in DirectLync. It's probably a little bit slower for me because I have like a million tabs open up right now. You guys can't see them, but trust me, I do. So here's what you'll see. Here's what you see once you log into the platform. And then you can go into the different modules, contacts. Very easy to add your contacts here. We'll show you how to do a contact import and then add your contacts, create and add your contacts to different groups. Social media. We could easily show you how to add your social media accounts and post on social media on this calendar through the platform. Email marketing. We have some nice little templates for you guys in here, but we'll also show you how to use the drag and drop email editor and send out emails to your groups, to your contact groups. And then reports once we have some data, once we've done some things on social media, once we've done some things from an email marketing perspective, we're going to have some reports that we could run and we could show you that as well. So again, just wanted to make a quick introduction. You're in great hands with Bob, but please don't hesitate to reach out if I can help you out with anything. And let's try to get a demo scheduled in the next 2 weeks or so. Appreciate it, guys. We're looking forward to working with you.